welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It was raining all day yesterday. Today I'm out on the lake. It's a little bit windy, but I think we can manage. We have my awesome kayak. This thing is such a game changer. I know I can't get over it, but in the wind it's honestly insane. But we're out here today, basically the only one out on the lake. The ramp is closed. It's been closed for a couple of days now, but they're doing some work out there, as you can tell, so I hope they let me down there. But anyways, we're gonna try and catch some fish, test out a theory that a lot of people say, that after it rains, fishing is good. So we're gonna test that out, see if we can make it happen. It's honestly insane that this lake is closed down. There's only one ramp open. I only see like 2 boats out on the main lake now. But anyways, we're gonna get to fishing, get to slaying some fish. Let's get to it. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. That's a nice one. That's a decent one. Get in the net, buddy. He just has a really big mouth. He's a little long. I will take it. All right, folks, I kind of got his gill plate a little bit, so hopefully, oh, he took off. He's fine. He might not survive. I don't know. He did bleed a lot, but I rinsed him off, took out the hook really quick, took a quick picture. I mean, really quick. I went pretty fast, and he swam off fine, so he should be fine theoretically. I don't know. We'll see. I thought it was a bigger fish because of the mouth, but not bad. First fish of the day. I realized I only have about 2 hours of fishing today. Just rained yesterday. That spot has been kind of off and on. We'll keep fishing. If we end up catching a lot of fish, then maybe it is really good fishing after the rain. But anyways, let's keep grinding. Let's see if we can catch some more. That's a fish. That's a nice one. In the net, bud. I didn't notice till like the last second that he was running with it. I might cross the lake. I'm not too sure. I literally just started fishing like 15 minutes ago, and this is my second fish of the day. Oh, hey buddy. Hey, chill out for a second. He's still kind of fresh. Second fish of the day, little dinker. Don't know where these big fish are. I seriously don't. I can never locate them or find them. Second fish of the day, not a bad little fish. Back in the water he goes. I saw a fish hanging out on a really good point over there the other day, so I'm gonna fish that and then cross over to the lake. But stay tuned because we're gonna catch some more fish. Definitely, it's a pretty good day so far. Last time I saw a fish hanging out here. This is like a good rocky point. Let's see if I can get my lure in there. Last time I was just cruising in my kayak. I was on my phone. That's a fish. I was on my phone and I hit some rocks, and I was like, what the heck? Turns out this point goes out a little far, and I saw a fish hanging out. And sure enough, there's a fish there. I saw a fish hanging out there. It might be the same fish, I don't know. But third fish of the day, not bad. It's a good day of fishing. Definitely a good day. It could be the rain, could just be the spots I'm fishing. I don't know. We got a 15-incher right there. Nice little long fish. That is awesome. Back in the water he goes. I didn't want him to like splash me everywhere. Let me show y'all why this point is so good. Y'all probably can't see it on camera, but there's my polarized glasses. There's like these rocks right here. That's why I caught that fish, because he was hanging out in the cracks. They usually tend to do that. They like to hang around the cracks. Well, I assume they like to chill at the bottom, kind of just wait in that crack, see if there's any bait fish on top, and then they just attack whenever they see food. All right, I see a fish busting right here. I literally see him. Oh no, I had one. You know what? Throw top water. I have top water on this rod right here. I had one. Dang it, I had him. Oh, there he is. I got him. Fish right there. That was awesome. Get in here, buddy. That fish was going at it on some shad. This spot's pretty good for topwater. Last time there was like a little school and it was pretty crazy. He ate it when I freaking tossed my top water. I mean, he was going at it. I saw him busting on the surface. Not a bad little fish. Gonna go ahead and release him. Back in the water he goes. Fourth bass of the day. Maybe we'll run into another fish like that. I might go back to that point and fish top water again, because I always see fish busting there. Schools and schools of fish there, but not bad. I never thought I'd fish top water on wind like this. This is insane. I'm just casting in the middle of the lake, literally nowhere, but I feel like this is just a hot spot for just shad and stuff like that. So I don't know. I know I'm kind of rambling and I'm kind of just casting out in the open, but hey, that's experimenting. That's just finding a spot where you don't have a fish graph and you're kind of just figuring it out. You're actually fishing. You're not just using a fish graph. Oh, he missed it. Missed it. Oh, take it again, take it again. Dang it. Dang it. Oh. That was insane. He came for it twice. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, geez, Smalley. Oh no, it's a little fish, a little bass. He's barely hooked though. He might come off. Nice little fish. That is insane. That will help us out, but geez, this thing was aggressive. All right. Oh, buddy. Oh, okay, okay. No, I get it, I get it. That's a death trap right there. All right, little feisty fish. Back in the water he goes. When would y'all think that top water on like a windy day like this would be a viable option? Like, ain't no way I would throw top water on a windy day like this, but that is insane. That got me fired up. All right, let's keep fishing. Let's try right here. I think this is just like an island that's just littered with fish. I'm throwing a top water blind. I don't know where these fish are. Oh my gosh, they're dinkers, but geez, this is freaking fun. Not gonna lie. 6 fish of the day, I believe. I don't know, a little dinker. I will take it either way. That little island is just loaded with fish. In an hour we've caught like 5 or 6 fish. 1 hour, that's all we've had to fish. That is insane. This little topwater bait, walking bait, is getting it done. That's a fish right there. Oh, got a little buddy chasing them. Little guy, nice little dinker. I keep catching small fish. I don't know where these big fish are. I wish I had a fish grab. I know I was kind of bashing on it earlier, but I wish I did. 6th, 7th fish of the day. I don't even know. Back in the water he goes. I ran out of trench hogs, so that's that. I'm gonna use some slim shakes, see if they do just as well. Jeez, I am soaked. Like, might as well be in the water because of, oh, that's a nice one. That's a decent one right there. Might as well be in the water because of how soaked I am. That's a nice fish. He's gonna help us out. That's like a 17. All right, yeah, so I got 2 15, so this fish can go ahead and go. I don't need any pictures of that fish. Kind of gut hooked him, but he's fine. He swam off. Not bad. 7th, 8th fish of the day? I don't even know. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm ending off the video here. It's kind of sprinkling right now. I hope some more rain comes down. It rained all day yesterday. The point of this video was to see if fishing is any good after a rainstorm or after a rainy day. And clearly today was pretty awesome. I mean, probably one of my best days out of the summer. I caught 7 or 8 fish. I don't know, y'all know. Drop a comment down below if you kept track, because I didn't. Caught 7 or 8 fish in about 2 hours. So I did pretty awesome. 2 hours, 7 or 8 fish. Not bad. Definitely one of my best days of this summer. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And let me know if y'all think that fishing after the rain is any good. Drop a comment, because I'm still kind of skeptical. It could have just been a nice day, the nice weather that could have made this good, or the rain could have played a big part. I don't know. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.